Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what?
Got a tire gone.
We're Dave and Karen from Walks on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. We were traveling from Island Park, Idaho, down through Jackson, Wyoming, up to the Grand Teton area to Boondock. About 20 miles north of Jackson, we had a blowout in the middle of nowhere. The road we were on was only 2 lanes and there was no shoulder, but luckily there was a little road that we could turn off on a third of the mile down the road.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what?
Got a tire gone.
RV?
Yep.
Continental, too. No turnoffs.
Well, that's all I got. I'm going to let people go by.
What did you see?
I saw a puff of smoke. It's all tore up. The tire is.
Let's see. We are 2.6 miles from the road we got to turn down, but that's not going to help us any now.
How many miles?
2.6. And then that's probably gravel road. Who knows?
Yeah.
Let me look.
Pretty hard to change it right here.
Yeah, let me look on Google Earth.
Well, in the meantime, I'm going to get out. I'm going to look at it.
Alright. How bad is
It
it?
doesn't look like it did any damage,
Yeah.
but it's shredded to shit.
Well, this is the best I can see right now.
Grand Park Access Road. We got nothing. I'm looking at that spot up there. Nah, that looks
That's
nice.
the access road. See how it curves?
Oh, that's the access road?
Yeah, I believe so. And there's a turnaround in it.
Well, I'm going to have to thump it up there. That's all I can do.
Shit flapping?
Access road. What's the access road to? Nothing. Nothing that we want, huh?
It goes way over there somewhere. I don't know.
Okay, I didn't know if it was access to the park that we're looking for.
No, we're up on the right. Another 2.5 miles. That's all you got. Right there.
That's all I want. I don't know how I'm going to get back out of here.
May have to back out, I don't know. I don't think you're going to have anybody coming down here.
I don't think so either. But I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to turn around once I get this thing put on.
I wonder if you can go around like that.
That's what I'm wondering. That's why I'm going to stay right here.
And here we go again. You know, I'm really getting tired of this. Why can't we take a trip without having a flat tire? Good grief. Oh, all right. You know the drill.
Oh yeah,
This time you're using a drill.
This time I'm using a drill.
So we got Continentals on the other side, and this is a Sailing. That's a Bridgestone. We're going to replace both of them with Continentals. Not sure where, because we're out boondocking right now in the middle of Wyoming. Good grief. Talk about being shredded.
I'm just glad the rim ain't screwed up.
Yeah. I don't know if we hit something, it overheated. We got like 2 beeps on the TPMS and poof. You know?
Yeah. I'm getting good at changing tires. Wish I had my tire dolly.
So we're out here in Wyoming, working our way to a spot to Boondock, which is only 2.5 miles down the road. And of course, if you're going to have a flat tire, you want to do it where there's nothing around. What's that?
It's not raining.
Yeah. Try to keep it shaded here with my umbrella. We have to start bringing our wheel dolly with us.
That thing's too big.
I know, but if you had it, you wouldn't get any flat tires. Can I help somehow?
Yeah.
What do you want me to do?
Push on the top of the tire. Push it in. We're right there. Everything looks pretty good.
Lucky.
Very.
Got tight up there?
That's about as tight as it's gonna get.
The only thing good about being out here changing the tire is you got an awesome view of the Grand Tetons. Starting to think that Wyoming doesn't like us. First the tensioner went out, now a flat tire. So now we got to get out of here. So he's going to pull into this gravel. This is too steep and too tight to turn here. So you pull into the gravel up here and then back in over here and then pull straight out. Well, take a look how far down this drops.
I'm going to try going up there, about 10 feet forward.
Then it comes up, and then it comes back down, and then you got the walking path.
Okay, this is looking pretty rough over here. There's a big dip right here. Another big dip right here. This right here probably looks the best, but I don't know if you can cut it that tight.
Nah, I can't turn it that tight.
Well, take a look how far down this drops.
I'm gonna try going up here, about 10 feet forward. Well, I'm gonna be restricted on how those bushes. I can only go so far. How about out there? Can I pull out here, forward?
Yeah, apparently somebody else already did this.
That's a big hump right there.
I don't know what to tell you to do.
Take a walk down this road a little bit.
Well, satellite shows just a road. Now look. Okay, there's a gate down here, but I wonder if you could back out around this way. No, can't do that. I don't know what he plans on doing here. Okay. Oh boy. Keep going.
Whoa. Wow. Just plain wow. We did it. Looking back over the last 6 years, how many times have we had a tire blow out or something happen? We had to replace a tire.
My last count was 5.
So the first one was like up in Ohio.
Right. That
Like-
one,
like
it
this.
just, on the RV, it just came, peeled off.
Yeah, that was like the first year of travel.
Yeah.
Second one then was the blowout in Arizona on Highway 10, right?
Yeah.
And that took everything out.
That caused major damage.
We had gas line, water line, skirting all messed up. That just
Yeah,
was
electric
terrible.
lines, everything got ripped out.
was it. Where were we at when we had to have one of the back heavy-duty truck tires changed out? That was
in Indiana.
that was Indiana. Okay.
That
And-
was due to a valve stem.
yeah. And the TPMS warned us of slowly losing air.
It didn't say slowly. It said
Well,
massive leak or something like that.
yeah. So then Loves came out and did that one for us.
Yeah.
And then then we had last year we were down in Florida.
Yep.
We had found a sliced tire.
Yeah, we had a sidewall on the tire get sliced.
Didn't lose air, but we had to replace it. And then we said, you know what, let's replace it with Continentals,
Yeah.
J-rated tires. And then after we left that campground, about 10 minutes into the drive, we got a message from the TPMS that we were losing air,
Yeah.
and we had a screw in it.
Screw stuck in a different tire, and it was stuck to the point where you couldn't plug it or patch it. So there's another new Continental.
Yep, so now we had 2 Continentals.
Yep.
So then this last one, which was in Wyoming, which was about 20 miles north of Jackson.
Yep.
And
That one just grenaded. I mean, I've never seen a tire that messed up.
I don't know how it didn't mess everything else up. Just cracked a couple little cracks in the skirting, kind of where you couldn't even see it. That was about it.
God was with us on that one. I'm telling you.
So at that point, we said, you know what? We got 2 non-Continental tires, so let's replace both of them with Continental tires. We have all 4 Continental, a little more confidence, I guess. Now I'll tell you this: when we were in Florida and we got a Continental tire, we went to Walmart, had to order it, took like 3 days, and it was $500 and some bucks, and we paid like $27 for them to put it on the road.
$515.27.
But in Jackson, Wyoming, it's one of the most expensive places to live in the United States. So are all the prices.
Yeah, all of
And
yeah.
even after negotiation, we still paid,
$800 a tire.
I think, yeah, a little over 800 bucks.
Yeah.
But we wanted to feel safe and be confident with what we were riding on, because we still had the rest of the Northwest to go through. So we went ahead, splurged, and got the Continentals. So we have all 4 Continentals J-rated now. And we had probably another 3,000 miles to go on our trip.
Yeah.
So we figured, you know what?
Do it.
Yeah. So tires will blow, tires will go flat, they'll get slashed, they'll get screws, things will happen. So put it in your budget.
Big part of your budget.
And if you have a heavy RV like we do at 22,000 pounds, then you might want to budget for Continentals.
Just Continentals, those J-rated ones that we have at 17.5 inches diameter. Those tires are made for those low boy semis that haul the big heavy equipment. so they can take a load.
And so far, we're happy we did that.
Yeah.
So double your budget. How many beers for this last tire change?
Oh God, there isn't enough beer out there. Whatever I got in the beer though, I had to give up to buy the new tires, and I was out selling beer on the street.
Come on, let's go to the liquor store, shall we?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go to the beer store.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.